I just finished an oil change on the Audi A4 B8 Avant, and I decided to try out this Liqui Moly MolyGen formula, and all other good oil benefits aside, thought it was interesting how they have the UV quality to it to help you diagnose if you have any oil leaks. So for those of you that haven't tried it and might want to, I thought I'd give you a little demonstration of how this works. So let me flip off the light, and I'll use this little flashlight that they send with you. There's normal light, and then there's the UV light. So here it is. Here is the normal flashlight, and there's the UV. And what's kind of neat, in this example you can see that you start realizing that a few of the manufacturer parts actually have UV sensitive markings on it that you otherwise wouldn't have seen before. And here's an example of just a little dot of oil that I put on here so you can see when it is for sure leaking. But all around the cap, around the oil filter, it's all good. So, kind of neat. I recommend it.